This is a F4F-3 Wildcat fighter built by Grumman Aircraft Corporation. Its significance is it is the last remaining non-folding wing original variant Wildcat fighter that is flying. This was the most advanced fighter the Navy had when the war broke out. So this aircraft is the aircraft that, the fighter aircraft that kept the Japanese forces at bay. So, and it was outmatched by the Zero, but they used this aircraft to develop a lot of the tactics that overcame the Japanese pilot. There was a thing called the thatch weave, and this was the aircraft that showed them how to actually fight the Japanese pilots. It had been lost in Lake Michigan. I located it, recovered it from 210 feet of water. With permission from the United States Navy, we gained that permission by executing a contract where we recovered several aircraft for the United States Navy, and they turned over title to this aircraft to us so that we could release it to private hands. I will tell you, it was one of the toughest aircraft for us to recover. And why it was one of the toughest aircraft for us to recover, it was nose down, right side up. There's nothing to grab on the aircraft to lift it in that position. So we spent a lot of time with our remote operated vehicle trying to open the lift door for the lift assembly. That was unsuccessful. Me and another diver made a very dangerous deep dive to actually rig it for lifting. One of the wings had been sheared off part way, and obviously they had to do a lot of work with the engine, right? Because the engine had been submerged for 50 years. They had to do a lot of hard work. The whole collective thing on us recovering all the aircraft, to us, this is our way of presenting to the present and future generations the machines, the effort, the intestinal fortitude, the American spirit used by the men and women of the greatest generation to protect all of our liberty and freedom.